Welcome back to the channel. Now I have the Ulanzi J12. It was going to be an unboxing video, but I couldn't wait. So yeah, you don't really need the box. And as you can see, I've got the mic on. Now at the moment, this is just a normal mic. There's no noise cancellation on there, but throughout the video, I will change the settings with a click on the button, which is on the mic. And we see how it goes. Here's the box here. It's a little box. Comes with two mics and the antenna. I'm currently recording this on a Google Pixel 7, 4K 30 frames per second. The dongle is plugged in, the transmitter is plugged in, and it was pretty simple. It took I don't know, 10 seconds. I had to change the settings on the phone for video, for the external mic. So if you do have a Google Pixel phone, you would have to change the settings to go to the mic instead of the phone. There's a bit of hissing on this sound at the moment when I start talking. So if I press this button here on the side, now hopefully it changed. And I think there's two settings, so we'll see how that goes. The range is about 20 meters, 65 feet, and you got to be in line of sight with the dongle. If you turn your back or you go behind the camera, if you're close to it, it will work. If you start going, right to the 20-meter line or beyond, then you might get loss of signal. But try it, see how far you can go. I've gone about 10 meters and I've had no problems. So I'll do another test at some point for long distance and see how it goes. So I'm going to change it to the second setting. Now obviously, hopefully this is changed dramatically, so there shouldn't be any hissing sounds or any vibrations or anything like that on the sound. So yeah, give that a go. Yeah, so I got these on Black Friday deal for 35 Canadian dollars. I do believe on Amazon they've gone back up to 48, but from the little play around I've had so far, they seem to be pretty good. I did look at the DJI set. I think that was running around 260 Canadian. But you know what? I've got some Ulanzi products already, and I thought I'll give it a punt for $35. You can't go wrong, really. Even $48, I think, is still pretty bargain for what you get in here. You can plug these into a action camera, DJI, which I've got Action 3. But the problem is that there's a little flappy arm on the actual camera, which where the dongle goes in, the transmitter goes in. And so I've seen it plugged into one, so I'm not sure how to get that door off. There's a little flappy door. I don't want to break it, so if anyone's taken that little flappy door off, please leave a comment. Let us know how you did it, because I don't really want to break it. I'm not sure about the Google Action 1. Sorry, Google Action 1. What am I talking about? The DJI Action 1 and also the DJI Action 2. So I'm not sure there. So if you have got one of those and you've plugged these your lenses in, yeah, leave a comment as well. Let me know, let everyone else know how that goes. But so far, 10 out of 10 for these Ulanzi J12s. So yeah, they're on Amazon for $48. So give it a go. It's worth a try. So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. I've got some other videos coming out too for the Ulanzi products. I've also got the suction mounts, the SC01s, SC02, which I'll be doing a review on very soon for those as well. So yeah, stay tuned and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Cheers.